All right, welcome back to this segment of Good Life Tampa Bay. Now you're really going to be amazed with our next story. I recently headed over to our neighboring city, Orlando, to bring you a cutting-edge weight loss medical breakthrough. Here's my story. Did you realize some studies show that over 160 million Americans are either obese or overweight? And nearly 3/4 of American men and more than 60% of women are dealing with obesity and overweight issues. Health risks such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes, osteoarthritis, and chronic kidney disease increase when carrying this extra weight. And this is in addition to the potential psychological damage to self-esteem and confidence. Yeah, we all know it continues to be an ever-growing problem, and that's why I've traveled 85 miles from Tampa to learn more about a new effective solution. Today we're in Orlando at the Digestive and Liver Center of Florida. They're the first medical group in the state to offer a new FDA-approved weight loss procedure. Check this out. The AspireAssist is a new FDA-approved weight loss solution for people with obesity. Unlike many other weight loss procedures, it is non-surgical, and most importantly, it is reversible. In a U.S. clinical trial, patients lost 3 times more weight than those who received only diet and exercise counseling. The most successful patients lost over 100 pounds in the first year. Now, placing the device is an outpatient procedure. Patients can often return home within 1 or 2 hours and be back at work quickly. That's because it's a quick 15-minute procedure under twilight sedation. I had a chance to visit with a local Orlando woman who had the procedure about 9 months ago with tremendous results.
I don't have to worry about weight anymore, and it's not interruptive in my life. So I carry it with me everywhere I go, so it's there for me all the time.
Like so many others, Sarah had tried many diet programs, pills, and medical procedures, all ending with frustration.
So I've done everything. I went to doctors, I did meal replacements, I did prescription pills, I did a lap band, another weight loss procedure, and which was supposed to be reversible and safe, and I struggled with that. It wasn't what I thought it would be.
The procedure has been successful in Europe over the last 5 years and has been in 29 cities across the U.S. for the past 2 years. And now Dr. Sheila, a recognized authority on gastroenterology, and his team at the Digestive and Liver Center of Florida are the first in the state to offer this as an alternative solution for patients. Dr. Sheila, who completed his fellowship at Yale University School of Medicine, feels AspireAssist is a powerful alternative for many dealing with obesity issues.
Aspire is a minimally invasive non-surgical procedure that can be placed in a patient who wishing to lose some weight, and it's minimum to short-term to long-term gain for the patient, and with very minimal complications for the procedure.
There are no specific foods that are off limits with the AspireAssist. Dr. Sheila's team will follow up the procedure with monitoring and lifestyle counseling to help keep the weight off long term. What patients love? This is a reversible procedure and can be removed at any time through a 10-minute outpatient procedure. And because the procedure and device is relatively simple, the procedure is now affordable to patients who can't afford or want invasive bariatric surgery. And some health insurance provides coverage too.
It's little tiny hole, and we do the feeding tube purposes. We have a lot of experience in doing these procedures. Like we do around 500, 600 feeding tubes a year, which I did in last 13 years, around 5,000 to 6,000. And the complication rate is very minimal. So that's why we chose to add to our armamentarium to the procedures.
The AspireAssist works by reducing the calories absorbed by the body while helping you make gradual, healthy changes to your lifestyle. To begin therapy, a thin tube will be placed in your stomach that connects the inside of your stomach directly to a discrete button on the outside of your abdomen. After each meal, the device enables you to flush or aspirate up to 30% of your meal into the toilet through this tube by connecting a small handheld device to the button. Part of the lifestyle change is to chew your food slowly and mindfully so it can fit through the tube during flushing, and this also gives time for the fullness signals from the stomach to reach the brain before you've eaten too much. It's this powerful combination that helps patients lose so much weight. The device is about the size of a smartphone and stores away in a small case afterwards. Now, the flushing process is performed about 20 to 30 minutes after the entire meal is consumed and takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete.
I know that I have this tool with me at all times, that I can go out to dinner and I can live life, and I don't have to worry about yo-yoing in the future up and down with my weight. So it's a long-term tool that I have, which gives me control and freedom and peace of mind.
I had a chance to speak to an Orlando man who, like Sarah, has struggled with his weight, and now he is moving ahead to have this procedure done with Dr. Sheila.
Doctors do hundreds of these. It seemed minimal risk, and it also seemed like completely reversible. It seemed very reasonable, and actually whenever I was looking at the AspireAssist, I kind of thought, why wasn't that the first thing that people came up with when they were doing bariatrics? It seems so, it's a proven technology.
And considering the drastic surgical alternatives, Sarah and Rob have no challenges in flushing with the device 3 times a day.
It's not very interruptive in my life, so I just have to carve out about 5 to 10 minutes to be able to use the restroom and flush. And that's it. There's no more maintenance that's required with this, and that's what's so beautiful.
I'm kind of like that modern American where I want instant gratification. And I kind of think that the flushing will be instant gratification of, oh good, I chewed enough.
Now, this procedure is not for everyone, as certain criteria needs to be met.
But at first, we have phone calls. I call the people go for her first consultation. We make sure that their BMI is the proper one. And after that, we have some nutritional advice to explain to the all the patients, how is this process about, because it's not only to place a tube there and aspire everything. It's because the person have to be committed as well.
Dr. Sheila and his team at Digestive and Liver Center of Florida are all about providing the best possible patient experience.
Well, here in Digestive and Liver Center of Florida, we have assembled a team that works synchronized and very efficiently to ensure that our patients receive white glove treatment.
The AspireAssist Florida representative says Dr. Sheila and his team are the perfect medical group to serve the Orlando, Florida market with this proven technology.
Not all practices, in our opinion, will be candidates for our solution. This is not a sophisticated surgical procedure. It just is not. It's the post-care, it's the front-end training, the working with the patients on nutrition, on lifestyle counseling, on the continued follow-up on a regular basis in interfacing with these patients that is going to be the difference between failure and success. We have no time for anything except success.
This FDA-approved procedure now gives patients an alternative to drastic surgical procedures. AspireAssist allows them to finally take control of their weight and reclaim their life back with a reversible weight loss procedure with proven long-term results. There are numerous testimonials on people who have literally changed their life and well-being to a richer and deeper fulfilled life. AspireAssist seems to be much more than a medical procedure and product, but rather a different and total lifestyle approach to weight loss.
The Sarah today would tell the Sarah from 10 years ago that you're about to get your life back, and that just hang in there, because there's going to be a procedure or an approach to weight loss that is perfect for you and perfect for your lifestyle, and not to give up.
From Orlando, for Good Life Tampa Bay, I'm H. John Mejia. To learn more about this cutting-edge alternative weight loss procedure, you can contact Dr. Sheila and his team at the Digestive and Liver Center of Florida at 407-384-7388. That's 407-384-7388. Or visit them on their website, dlcfl.com. That's dlcfl.com.